Everyone keep your videos on. You don't need to be reminded every day.
Sir, your voice is extremely low.
Solve this question. Before that, let's take a quick recap. Ananya, tell me the expansion.
A square. Yes.
Ananya, read the what I've written. AQ plus BQ.
Yes, sir. Sorry. A square plus B square plus 3 A
When we're doing cube, how does square come into play?
B cube A.
Ananya, when we're doing cube, how does square come into play? Open your book and see the question. I've done this. We did this yesterday. Open your book and tell me the correct answer. I've told you again and again, you need to revise.
Yes, sir. A square plus B, sorry. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square plus.
Ananya, can you see what I've written on the board?
Yes, sir. It
Is it A plus B the whole thing cube, or am I asking you for A cube plus B cube?
Oh, sorry.
What is A cube plus B cube equal to?
A cube plus B cube.
Ishan? Ishan, what is A cube plus B cube equal to?
So it's A plus B whole cube minus 3A square B minus 3AB square.
Or we can write 3AB into A plus B also, right? Or we can write A plus B the whole thing cube minus 3A squared B minus
3AB
squared. Correct. Ananya, repeat. Repeat the first one.
A plus B whole cube minus 3.
What about this one? Left hand side. It's an identity. Identity will have a left hand side and a right hand side.
Oh yes, sorry. A square, sorry, A cube plus B cube will be equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3A square minus 3AB square.
A cube minus B cube. Vishwa.
Yes, sir. So it will be A minus B the whole thing cube plus 3AB brackets A plus B.
No, not A plus B. A minus B. If you have a minus here, then there will be a minus here also.
Okay, sir.
Vishwa, repeat this.
A cube minus B cube is equals to A minus B the whole thing cube plus 3AB brackets A minus B.
Okay. Next one. A cube plus 1 upon A cube. Paki.
Sir, it will be A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 into
A cube plus 1 upon A cube.
A plus 1 upon A.
A cube plus 1 upon A cube.
Sorry?
I'm going to write A cube plus 1 upon A cube.
Oh, okay. A plus 1 upon A, the whole cube, minus 3 into 3 plus 1 upon A.
No, not 3.
A plus 1 upon A, sorry.
A plus 1 upon A. Same thing from here. Only difference is, remember, what did we say? This AB gets cancelled out, right?
Yeah.
Because A and 1 upon A gets cancelled, we're left with 3 here.
Yeah.
And last one we did A and 1 upon A cube. Aryan? Aryan? Aaron, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What's the formula? I didn't tell you.
A cube minus 1 upon a cube is equals to A minus 1 upon A, the whole thing cube, plus 3
Yeah.
brackets A minus 1 upon A.
Correct? Yes, Sarah, you have a doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not able to understand a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to a plus 1, the whole thing cube
We did
minus
this yesterday. What happened?
3.
Refer to your notes. We did this yesterday. Sarah, what is 1A plus 1 upon A, the whole thing cube?
It will be a plus 1 upon a the whole thing cube.
Yeah. What is that equal to? Sarah, what happened? You did not revise what we did yesterday?
I did revise those equations.
Same thing. What is A plus 1 upon A?
It will be a cube plus 1 upon a cube
Yeah.
plus 3.
Yeah.
The 3, then it will be multiplied by a plus, I think, 1 upon a.
Correct. Right. So we have this equation. If we just take this
Yes.
on the other side, what will we get? A plus 1 upon A, the whole thing cubed, minus 3 into A plus 1 upon A is equal to A cube plus 1 upon A cube. This is the same equation as here,
Yes.
right? So you need to know it both ways. Expanding A plus 1 upon A, the whole thing cubed also. And if I'm given A cube plus 1 upon A cube, how do we find A plus 1 upon A?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, there'll be different scenarios when we do the questions. You'll have different scenarios related to these. So depending on which option we have, we'll have to solve it accordingly. So all of these equations, even this one, let this be 1A, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 identities have to be known by heart. Correct? Okay, let's do a few practice sums regarding this. Any doubts on these identities, anyone? Okay, let's continue. Oh. Okay, do this one. Simplify. 4x plus 2y, the whole thing cube, minus of 4x minus 2y, the whole thing cube. We've already done this identity just now. Do it properly and expand it fully. I want the full simplified format. I don't want anything in brackets. If anyone's not able to solve it, as usual, send raise your hand. Vishwa, that's wrong. You just need to expand, Vishwa. Do it step by step. Expand the first part, expand the second part, put the minus sign, change all the signs to the second part, and solve. Ishan, the Y1 is correct, the first part, second one is wrong. X squared Y is wrong, just check that value. Last 1 minute, everyone. Last 30 seconds, everyone. Come on, this is not difficult. You just need to apply the identity. That's all. Expand. Do the expansion. Samita, let's solve this. Samita, your voice is not coming properly. It's sounding as if you're underwater or something. Try again. I can't hear you now. Sarah, let's solve this. No, Samita, you're not audible.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Similarly, 4x the whole thing cube
Yeah.
plus plus 2y the whole thing cube
Yeah.
plus 3 multiplied by 4x. Then the 4x will be squared multiplied by 2y
Yeah.
plus
One sec, Ananya,
plus
Ananya, that is correct. Yeah.
plus 3 multiplied by 4x
Yeah.
multiplied by 2y, and the 2y will be squared
Okay.
minus 4x cube.
Now, Sarah, you're missing out one important point here. Do you remember when I said that whenever we have a minus and we're opening an identity or a expansion, what do? We open a big bracket.
Bulk bracket.
If you don't do this, your entire equation will go wrong. Okay. Remember that all of you all open a big bracket whenever we have an expansion over here in this format. Ishan, you have a doubt?
Yeah, so here I took 4x as A and 2y as B.
Yeah.
And then I substituted again to 4x and 2y.
But did you expand it further? Which identity did you use? Did you use the expansion form or did you use AQ minus
Yeah,
B?
so I did A plus B whole cube minus A minus B whole cube. Then use both the formulas and subtracted. That could be subtracted.
Maybe
And then I got,
the other, you must have done some addition subtraction error.
yeah, I got it. I'm solving.
Fine. Okay, Sarah, continue. Okay, Sarah, wait. Vishwa, second part.
Yes, sir.
4x minus 2y, the whole thing cube. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So it will be 4x cube.
4x, the whole thing cube. Don't say 4x cube, that will be wrong. You understood where you're going wrong? 4x cube is not the same as writing 4x, the whole thing cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's 4x, the whole thing cube. Then,
Minus
yeah,
2y the whole thing cube.
sorry. Yeah.
Minus
2y, the whole thing cube. Yeah.
minus 3.
Yeah.
4x and 2y.
No, 4x squared into 2y. It's a squared
Okay.
b, remember? Wait, first, wait. What is a minus b, the whole thing cube? Vishwa?
A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square.
Okay, so now use this. So it's minus 3a squared b. Then, Ishan is
Yes.
correct now. Paki is
So
correct.
plus 3.
Are you correct? Yeah.
3 4x
Yeah.
and 2y square.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, who's there? Ananya, expand.
Yes, so it is equal to 64x cube
Yeah.
plus 8y cube
Yeah.
plus 96x square y
Yeah.
plus 48x y square
Yes.
minus 64x cube
Yeah.
plus
How plus?
8.
How plus?
So I'm doing the final step. So
We kept
sorry,
the minus outside.
minus.
We're keeping minus outside. First, we're going to simplify the inside. Then we're going to open. Okay. Minus.
I did that together. So
No, do it
minus
together.
8 y cube
Yeah.
plus minus
96
96x square y
plus.
plus 48 xy square.
Right. This will carry marks. This step will carry a half a mark. So if you omit it, your marks will be cut. So do it stepwise. Okay? Continue now.
Okay. 64x square, sorry, x cube plus 8 y cube plus 96x square y plus 48x y square minus 64x cube plus 8 y cube plus 96x square y minus 48xy square.
Okay, continue.
So 64 x cube will be cut and 48 y square will be cut.
Okay. So what are we left with?
Which will be 16y cube plus 192x square y.
Correct. So 8y cube and 8y cube, we get 16y cube plus 92 and 96 and 96 is 192 x squared y. Samita, how did you get them? We took out y common. Why did you need to do that? Whenever we simplify, we need it in plus minus, not in brackets. That's not the simplified format. Okay, so this will be the final answer. If you take out 16y common and you do y plus what 12x squared, then again this is not completely simplified. Ultimately, you need to come back here. So this is the simplified format. Simplified formats don't contain brackets. Remember that. Any doubts, anyone in this question? Clear now?
Sir, I've done it with the other formula.
Which formula?
AQ plus BQ plus 3AB into A plus B.
AQ plus BQ. Yeah, but
Plus 3AB.
ultimately you reach here only, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Whether we do a squared minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. Ultimately, when you do 3ab into a plus b, you'll have to open that again.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
Right? Either of the two you can use. They're one and the same. Let's do another question. Okay. You all should be able to do this. Evaluate using identity. Quickly do this one. Evaluate triple line the whole cube using an identity. If anyone's not able to solve it, raise a hand as usual. But I hope everyone will get the correct answer this time. Sarah, no, that cannot be the answer. Come on, use your common sense. What's 1000 cubed? How many zeros will there be in 1000 cubed, Sarah? So your answer is way off. Ishan, that is correct. Hurry up, rest of you. Vishwa, no. How can that be, Vishwa? Vishwa, what is 1000 cubed? How many zeros will there be in 1000 cubed, Vishwa?
Six.
How 6? 1000 cubed, 1000 into 1000 into 1000. Vishwa, 1000 cubed. 1000
Yeah.
into 1000.
Yes, sir. Understood. I'll do it now.
1000. So there are 9 zeros. So your answer should be somewhere 8 or 9 zeros, isn't it? Right? Because 1000 cube is 9 zeros. So 999 cube will be one less than something less than that. So at least 8 zeros will be there, or 8 places there, right? Think,
Yes.
think and answer. Ananya, that is correct. Aryan, let's solve this.
Yes, sir. So it would be 1000 minus 1, the whole thing cube is equals to
1000 minus
1000 cube
1000 minus
1.
1. Okay.
The whole thing cube is equals to 1000, the whole thing cube minus 1, the whole thing cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square. That is 1.
Okay. So what is that equal
Yes, sir.
to?
The 1000 minus 1, the whole thing cube is equals to,
No, so 1000 the whole thing cube can be written as 1 with 9 zeros
yes, sir. 9.
minus 1. Sarah, no.
So 1 is
Abhita, that's
equals
correct.
to,
Minus 1 because 1 cube itself is 1. Minus
yes, sir. Is 3 into 6, 6 zeros
6 zeros
plus 3,
plus
3000.
3000. What is that equivalent to? Again,
Okay,
1,
so
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
Just a minute.
One. Minus
1
29,
is
9, 7, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which is equivalent to?
So it would be 1 9. Yes, sir. Okay.
Go step by step. Otherwise, everyone you will make a mistake. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Party, how did you get that?
Sir, I got my mistake. It is very silly.
See, all of you, we know 1000 cube is somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And we are doing minus 1 cube. So your answer will be somewhere near this with 8 zeros. So it'll be, so obviously it will be 9, 9 something. Or at least a 9 dot something with 8 places, right? So you can automatically check whether your answer is wrong or not. Now this way you need to get into the habit of checking your answers. Like Paki, your answer you saw it starts with a 2. It's not possible itself. Okay, start checking whether what you're doing is correct or not. Same.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sarah, same thing. Vishwa, same thing. We know it's going to be somewhere 8 zeros or 8 places.
Actually, sir, I copied the sum wrong. So
What did you copy?
I copied square.
We are doing cube.
Sir, in the previous sum
that's the
also I
first thing now.
copied
Whenever
square.
you are solving sums or whenever you're going to take a test, first thing is check whether you copied right. Right? I think Samita, this was a big mistake on your end. You used to copy the sums wrong last year. Right? So all of y'all recheck whether you've copied it correctly or not. Okay?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so recheck whether you're copying the sum correctly, because online when we are doing, a lot of times we copy it wrong, and then all our efforts go to waste. Okay, let's do another sum. Okay, I won't give you a very difficult one now. Just a sec. Okay, one more thing. There's another identity which I want you to know, because this is used a lot in some sums. I mean, they can give it to you. We know that a cube minus b cube. Samita, what is this?
A cube plus 3 a square b.
Samita, what we just did this when we started the lesson. Come on.
No, oh, sorry. Sir, 1 second.
Identity. Ananya.
Sir, I don't know.
Ananya, what's the identity?
A minus B whole cube plus 3AB multiplied by A plus B.
A plus B or A minus B?
A plus
How plus A cube minus B cube will be A minus B.
Sorry, I copied it wrong.
Right. Samita, did we do this earlier? Repeat this one, Samita.
Yes, sir. So a minus b whole cube plus 3ab
What is that? The first part, left hand side,
a cube minus b cube.
is equal to, say that identity, say the entire identity.
Okay. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole thing cube plus 3ab into a minus b.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see it from here. We can take out A minus B common here. And what will we be left with? We'll be left with A minus B the whole thing squared plus 3AB. Right? So I can write this as A minus B into Paki, what's A minus B the whole thing squared? Paki, are you there? They're frozen. Rajvi? Samita?
Yes, sir.
A minus B the whole thing squared?
A square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Right? Plus 3AB. So which is also equal to A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. So we have another identity which is also there. A cube minus B cube is also A minus B into A squared plus AB plus B squared. Please copy this down. This is used in very few cases. It's used a lot in 10th standard, but you should know this by now, because this is a derivation from this identity itself. So we already know the first identity with A cube minus B cube, which is A minus B the whole thing cube, plus 3ab into a minus b, right? From this, we can also derive a cube minus b cube is also equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Any doubts, anyone in this question, in this identity? Okay, this is used a lot in 10th standard, but you should know it by now because it may happen that they'll give you this one also.
Sir, if it is a cube plus b cube.
As in?
Yeah, so instead of a cube minus b cube, if it's a cube plus b cube, then
Try to derive it and see what comes out.
yeah.
Okay, after the class, derive it and see whether you can get something similar there. Okay, you'll understand why that has to be done. Okay. Okay, let's do this one. Find x cube plus y cube if x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 5. Do this one. Find x cube plus y cube if x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 5. If you all don't memorize the identities, it will be very difficult for you all to solve. All identities have to be known by heart in an instant. So now, as soon as you see this kind of a question, automatically, which identity has to be used should click in your head. Okay. This is a very interesting chapter, provided you know your identities. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very difficult for you all to solve it. You can't memorize the workings of this chapter. You can only memorize the identity. That's it. Okay, are you saying something? You're not audible. Come on, hurry up and solve this question. It's not difficult. You should have been done by now. Last 1 minute. Ishan, that's correct. Samita, let's solve this.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. What activity do we use? Samita, we did
So
this.
which identity do we use?
I know which identity we have to use. You have to tell me.
So is it a plus b the whole thing cube is equal to
Oh, no,
a?
we can use that, but why don't we solve it directly? Okay, fine, no problem. Let's do it that way. So you know x plus, because we're given x plus y the whole thing cube, so we know x plus y the whole thing cube has to be used. What is this equivalent to?
Which will be x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y.
Okay. Now do you remember this identity? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y the whole thing cube minus of 3xy into x plus y.
Yes, sir.
So can we use this directly and save a little bit of time from using this and then deriving it into this?
Yes, sir.
You can use this one also, there's no problem here. Because you will put 6 cubed and then you'll solve it, you get x cubed plus y cubed plus 3 into 5 into 6. That is no problem. You can solve it like this, right? In case you forget the identity, feel free to solve it like this. But if we know the identity, it just helps to save us a little bit of time. So we already know this identity that x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y the whole thing cube minus 3xy into x plus y. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
this really equal to? What is x plus y here?
It will be 6 raised to the power 3 minus 3 into 5, 15.
3 into
5, which is 15. So and x plus y again is 6. So into 6.
Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, and into 6. What's 6 cube?
6 cube is so 216.
Okay. Minus 3 into 5, 15, 15, 6. Huh?
Excuse me, sir.
90.
So the answer is
So 126. Yeah.
right. Got it. So if we know the identity, it always makes it faster. Otherwise, you could always use a plus b the whole thing cube or x minus y, x plus y the whole thing cube. Yeah, Vishwa.
Sir, x plus y you have written 62.
Where 62?
It's looking like 62,
Oh,
sir.
6 and xy is equal to 5.
Oh.
Okay. Fine. Any doubts, anyone? Again, learn identities. I'll be asking you the identities again tomorrow. You cannot do this chapter if you don't know the identities. Okay, all of you learn them. Fine, that's it for today. You can connect for science now. I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye everyone.
Thank you.